वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज के वीडियो में मैं तुम लोगों को बताऊंगी कि अगर तुम अपने एक्स या अपने प्यार को मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो तो मत करो। आई मीन यू कैन मैनिफेस्ट योर लव, योर एक्स बैक। आप कर सकते हो। अफर्मेशन वर्क करता है, स्क्रिप्टिंग वर्क करता है, जर्नलिंग वर्क करता है। आई मीन वॉट एवर द वे यू ट्राई इट वर्क्स इफ़ यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग इट। अगर आप चाह रहे हो बार बार कि यू वॉन्ट दैम बैक इन योर लाइफ, everything will work. But before manifesting your ex, you need to hear this. You know, the truth about manifesting a person is you are manifesting the same pattern. I mean, the reason they left you is a closure that you don't need to focus on them. But still, you manifested them. Now they come back in your life and you are finally happy, but they are not changed. I mean, they will repeat the same pattern. They will hurt you again and again. They will hurt you thousands of times. But you have to understand that if something is not meant for you, it will hurt you so many times. And you don't have to manifest it. You will be thinking कि वो लोग बदल जाएंगे। अब मतलब मैंने मैनिफेस्ट कर लिया है, तो अगर वो लोग आएंगे भी तो दे ट्रीट मी बेटर, दे डू दिस, दे डू दैट। बट that isn't the reality. They will not do anything because haven't they did their inner work? या उन्होंने खुद को हील किया है? अगर वो तुमसे अलग हुए थे तो हैव दे थॉट कि मुझे चेंज हो जाना चाहिए उस लड़की के लिए या उस लड़के के लिए? वो लोग ने तो ऐसा कभी सोचा ही नहीं, बट तुमने मैनिफेस्ट किया है और वो अब वापस आ गए हैं तुम्हारे लाइफ में। तो ऑफ कोर्स तुम्हें हर्ट करने आए हैं, क्योंकि इनर वर्क उन लोग ने किया नहीं है, हीलिंग नहीं की, कुछ चेंज नहीं किया है। सो दे विल जस्ट रिपीट देयर पैटर्न्स और आप बैठ के रोने ही वाले हो कुछ टाइम तक। आई मीन कुछ टाइम तक नहीं, जब तक यू डोंट लेट देम गो। इफ समवन हैज़ डिसरिस्पेक्टेड यू, abandoned you, hurt you, and they don't focus on their growth, I mean they don't learn, they don't, they don't understand you that this thing is hurting you, and they still come just to hurt you again. Please try to understand they will repeat their pattern because they are not healed yet. People don't change until they choose to change. I mean, they have their choices, but instead of changing themselves, they choose to leave you. So that was your biggest closure you need. And you are manifesting them. Oh my god, what's the point here? I mean, you should be you should be the person who has to heal now, because they are not going to change, trust me. And you know what is the dangerous part? That you are not attracting love, you are not manifesting love, you are manifesting that attachment, and attachment isn't love. I mean, you are not healing yourself, you're not meeting new people, and you are still stuck with them because you are manifesting them. And I say it again, you don't have to manifest them. You heal yourself. So you will be thinking now, what should I manifest then? You should manifest the feeling, not a person. I mean, you should manifest consistency, emotional availability, availability, emotional availability, love, efforts, care, and all of that stuff. There is a long list of feelings you have to manifest. So you know what happens when you attract feelings, when you manifest feelings, is that if that X aligns with your feeling now, they will come back better. But they'll come back in a better version. But if they don't allow, if they don't align, something better will come in your life. I hope you understand this, because I'm struggling hard to make you understand. But you have to understand that if something aligns with you, they will come naturally. You don't have to beg, you don't have to force, you don't have to put your whole energy into this. And when you manifest them in your life back, so they'll come and you'll be like, oh, they really come. बट यूनिवर्स ने तुम्हें वो इंसान को फिर से भेजा तुम्हारे लाइफ में ताकि तुम देख पाओ कि वो अभी भी नहीं बदले हैं, एंड यू हैव टू लर्न योर लेसन एंड यू हैव टू मूव फॉरवर्ड. बट नहीं, you don't learn your lessons, and you start abandoning yourself for someone who can't love you enough. So stop abandoning yourself and move forward. So love is not chasing and love is not begging, and प्यार वो भी नहीं है कि तुम एक ऐसे वर्जन का वेट कर रहे हो जो वो कभी बन ही नहीं पाएंगे. सो यू आर जस्ट स्टक. यू सी द रियलिटी नॉट द फ्यूचर. तुम ये देख रहे हो कि वो बदल ही जाएगा फ्यूचर पे, बट that is never going to happen. If you see the signs, walk away now. Don't wait for it. Don't wait for, perfect moment. ये वो फलाना ढिमकाना. You don't have to wait. If you see they are not changing, just move on, because you are just wasting your life. और जो चीज़ तुम्हारे लिए होती है ना, उसमें तुम्हें खुद को बिट्रे करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. एंड यू आर clearly betraying yourself for that person which is not worthy enough, and remember the important thing: you have to choose alignment, not attachment. I hope you get it. You have to choose alignment. I mean, if you think I deserve someone who texts me daily, so find that someone and not anyone. I hope you are getting me. So don't fall for attachment, fall for alignment. I hope you get the message from this video, and I hope you guys liked it. So yeah, that's it for the video. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.